Welcome to Amazon's Best of Basketball Hoop Showcase. Today, we're about to take your love for basketball to the next level. Whether you're a professional player, a backyard baller, or looking for family fun, we've got the perfect basketball hoops for you. Hieoby's The Beast is a top-tier portable hoop system with a massive backboard and adjustable height. It provides an authentic playing experience at home. The Aimking is an in-ground hoop that offers professional-level performance. It's built to last and can withstand aggressive play with its tempered glass backboard. The SKLZ is known for its stability and durability. It features a clear backboard, making it ideal for competitive play, and it's easy to move with its wheelbarrow design base. The TREYWELL portable basketball system is a versatile and adjustable hoop suitable for all ages. Its portability and height adjustability make it an excellent option for families. The SOFITORG is a great choice for basketball enthusiasts of all levels. It's easy to assemble, durable, and features a sturdy backboard for hours of play.